Truck brokers who rely on cold calling face similar challenges as other salespeople who use this technique. However, there are some industry-specific trends that can impact the effectiveness of truck broker cold calls. Increasing competition. The freight brokerage industry is highly competitive, with many players vying for the same customers. As a result, truck brokers may find it more difficult to stand out from the crowd and generate interest through cold calls. Shifting market dynamics. The trucking industry is subject to changes in supply and demand, which can impact the availability and pricing of transportation services. Cold calling may be less effective during times of low demand or when there is a surplus of capacity, as shippers may have more negotiating power and may not be actively seeking new carriers or brokers. Emphasis on relationship building. Truck brokerage is a relationship-based industry, and many shippers and carriers prefer to work with brokers who they know and trust. Cold calling may be less effective in building these relationships, as it can be difficult to establish trust and credibility over the phone. Adoption of digital platforms. Digital freight matching platforms, such as Uber Freight and Convoy, are growing in popularity and disrupting the traditional brokerage model. These platforms use algorithms and data analytics to match shippers with carriers, eliminating the need for brokers. As a result, truck brokers may face increased competition from these platforms and may need to adapt their sales strategies accordingly. Importance of industry expertise. Truck brokers who specialize in a particular industry or type of freight may have an advantage over generalists when it comes to cold calling. Shippers and carriers may be more receptive to brokers who have specific knowledge and expertise in their industry, making it easier to establish a rapport and build trust. In summary, truck brokers who rely on cold calling may face challenges related to increasing competition, shifting market dynamics, the importance of relationship building, the adoption of digital platforms, and the need for industry expertise. To remain competitive in the market, brokers may need to adapt their sales strategies and incorporate other techniques, such as digital marketing, networking, and referral programs.